Here is Super Duper Stormtrooper playing with Sammy the emoji. They're very cute together. They are brother and sister. They're about 8 weeks old and full of fun. Sammy B emoji, the little petite tiger. Oops. She is unstoppable. Her brother is a little bit more stoppable. He is a little bit more laid back, but she is just a ball of fire. Look at her. She can get over this baby gate that I have set up. I have it shut. And she just climbs it and just gets right over the little shield and enters and breaches her cell into the normal end of the house. And poor little Super Duper Stormtrooper, he's just left there meowing. He can't figure it out yet. But that doesn't mean he is not cute. He is so cute. Yes, buddy! And he purrs, and he has a little cat food mustache. Let's see.